Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about Quizezz, which is very nice audience response software. We are going to pros and cons, we are going to check the pricing plan, and also we will sign up so you see how it's all done. So let's start. Quizezz is a compact engagement monitoring platform for remote employees and valuable customers. Organizations can rely on the particular to generate interactive presentations, quizzes, and polls compatible across multiple devices. They get to select between self-paced and live learning experiences as per business needs. Informative reports featured by the platform helps with the problem identification across metrics like participant, question, class, and more. The reports get saved within the software's database and are shareable as well. Quizezz, with its massive e-learning tools, helps organizations schedule polls and quizzes with appropriate deadlines and share them via email or external messaging platforms. Flashcards and retakes help with independent study monitoring. Users can get started with quizzes in a few simple steps. They need to add a poll or quiz questions, add in videos or slides, and make brand-wise customization. Engage participants and start collecting feedback. Role-based access controls facilities appropriate privacy, eliminating unwanted viewers. It's made for all types of businesses, that being small, medium, or large. You can run it in your web browser, or you can even install it as app to your Android or iOS device. So, how does it all work? When we want to try it for free, we can either enter a code or just scroll down and click on Try It For Free button. Right here, they are offering a couple of options of joining in. You can sign in with a Microsoft account, Google account, or sign up with the email. If you're a company, preferably you'll go with your email, but if you want to try some shenanigans, you can go with the Google. The very nice thing about logging in with Google is that you don't have to wait for confirmation email, because they presume, they presume that you already are logged in and it is you that is logging in. So, how are you using Quiz? So, at school, at business, or personal use? Let's go with personal use. And here we are, easy as that. At the left side, you see our basic account, but we can upgrade it for $8 per month, access Quizezz super library, create unlimited quizzes and lessons, and much more. And easily, obviously, the paying is the easiest way. So once we're here, let's explore. We have Explore button on the left sidebar, My Library, Reports, Classes, Settings, and more. You see my email, my username. Thank God you don't see my password. Then, weirdly enough, we have a memes, profile, collections, and obviously logout. So let's start with the memes. Enter the memest name. Memer Mac meme face. It's a public one, yes, done. And create correct meme. You can upload the image. And let's go in here and let's add this guy, for example. Okay. Don't worry about it. Like this. And we hit upload. And yeah. Woof. Make. Name your meme. Woof. And save. And here we are. Here we have our personal meme. Easy. But we are not here for that. We are here to create a quiz. And I'm sorry that I first created meme, but I couldn't help myself. So let's create a quiz. Name this quiz. Let's go with test. Choose the relevant subjects. Let's go with science, geography, computers, and text. Here we can start building up our quiz. We can go with multiple choice, we can go with a poll, fill in the blank, open-ended, draw, audio response, video response, or slide. I would say that the first three you will, or maybe open and draw at some cases, you will be using first 5. But let's go with multiple choices. Type your question here. Do you like quizzes? Type an answer here. Let's go with yes, no, more than you think. And obviously you can even go with a picture. And we can go with woof. Easily that's the question. We can save it. Please mark correct answer. Let's go with this one and save it. Here, our first question is done. Do you like quizzes? The red dots are not the right answers. And the only one good answer is green. Here, we can add the time for your answer and many more options. It's not only one, you can add a new questions with a poll, and also you just go and test it out. At the moment we have only one. We have only one test or one quiz, but that's super okay. Created by me, previously used, liked by me, shared by me, and draft. Easily like this you can create the quiz. But remember guys, it's limited because we are not paying for this version yet. But for showing you, it's more than enough. So that's about it. If you like it, you can also preview the quiz, and let's go with like that. You will pick the answer or hide the answer, and it will look like this. Participant view. So if you have any types of questions of how to create a quiz, or even memes, or how to even log in into Quizezz.com, please leave your questions or any types of words underneath this video, and I'll try to answer them as quickly as possible. Also, I'm going to create more videos about the elementary stuff of quizzes. So let's go back, and if you need to work with the reports, of the reports, the polls that you already created, or the quizzes and all the answers, I'll show you how to do it as well. Also we'll go through some pre-made quizzes and many more So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one. Have a great day.